Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the right parts and confirming compatibility. Check your phone specs for PD, quick charge, or the maker's fast charge protocol so you know which standard to use. Pick a charger rated at least 18W, often 4565W for optimal speed, and a certified USB-C to USB-C cable to match. Once done, inspect ports for debris and verify battery health above minimal levels. This prevents interruptions and ensures the charger and cable communicate correctly for maximum current delivery. Now you connect and optimize so charging is efficient. Plug the high-wattage PD charger straight into a stable wall outlet rather than a multi-port hub, then attach the certified cable to the phone. Direct connection reduces voltage drop. If possible, power off or enable airplane mode to lower background draw, because less device activity equals faster fill. Make sure the phone shows a fast charge indicator or open battery settings to confirm negotiated wattage, and that the charger and phone are talking at the highest supported rate. Finish by monitoring and protecting the battery during the final stretch. You should aim to unplug around 80–90% for regular fast charges to balance speed and longevity. Full topping occasionally is fine. If charging is slow or stops, try another certified cable, a different PD port, or a separate outlet to isolate the fault. Also watch for thermal throttling. If the phone gets hot, pause charging or cool the device. This restores negotiated power levels and prevents permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.